Hello, today we are going to talk about Mode's watches. So you should purchase any watch on their platform or not, and what are the major red flags we have found. Does it really legit or another scam? So in this video we will cover lots of information. So let's get started. So first of all, if we talk about this brand is approx like 1 year old, okay, and they are available on internet from last 1 year. So this is a good time period. But if we talk about the watches they are selling right now, so you can see these kind of watches they are selling right now, and the costing you can see like only 299.95 euros. And if we talk about what is the money in INR, that is only like 30,000 rupees INR. But wait a moment, you can see over here the actual costing of Omega James Bond series, that is like 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 2 lakhs, and you can say like goes up to like 5 lakhs, 7 lakhs. Okay, so you can see there is a very big difference. Okay, the pricing is very big difference. So how is this possible? They are selling this you can like watch only in 30,000 rupees. It's impossible. Okay, now let's talk about second thing, that is like you can say reviews on Trustpilot, or you can say like reviews on Reddit. So you can see there are some reviews available on Reddit regarding this brand Modes, and if we talk about like there are so many you can like comments you can like available, like they are all you can like drop shipping you can like product, and you are going to get totally drop shipping product. And there is a one person, that is like senior ad 3510. He's claiming like they have purchased some watches on you can like Mode and all, but there is some you can like clarification also, like this guy is going to each Mode shit post and copy pasting the same message. Definitely Mode cover agent. Okay, so if we talk about these kind of reviews is also you can like claiming like these all are you can like looking like a scam. Now let's talk about another factor, that is like review on Trustpilot. They have good reviews on Trustpilot, but these all reviews are looking like you can say fake, because we can see like over here when you check out their positive reviews, they are getting 2 reviews per day, like 5 days ago, 5 days ago, and 5 days ago, 6 days ago, and 7 days ago, 2 or 3 reviews per day, and all the positive reviews. Okay, and if we talk about like negative reviews, yes, they have also like negative reviews, like 10% negative reviews, and all negative reviews is complaining like poor quality watches, disappointing customer, lack of customer support, and the product is shipping from China and all. So you should read their all you can like reviews, and then you can make a decision. Their reviews is coming very frequently, and we can say like when the product will receive, they are providing these kind of reviews. Okay, so if we talk about you should buy or not, they have provided their phone number also, like WhatsApp number they have provided. So I want to tell you, like if you are going to purchase any watches on their platform, you should contact with their customer support team on their WhatsApp number, on their you can like email ID. Then you need to ask like related to return and refund issues. Okay, and if you get good answers, then you can make a comment, and then you can make a purchase, and that's it. And if you have any experience with this watches, please share your experience also in our comment box. Your comment is a very real review. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.